In this tutorial, I am going to show you a quick, easy, beautiful way to add some elegance to a bun. Kelly's hair was pre-stretched using the Rev Air Reverse Hair Dryer. You can learn all about this amazing device and get some pro tips on best uses in my last tutorial, which I will link for you below this video. Because Kelly has so much hair and I want to create a swoop across the front, I am taking sections so the hair lays very neatly and showcases her beautiful highlights. Taking the front sections in smaller slices will help you lay it flatter and neater while keeping better control of the style. I am using a satin ponytail holder to secure the ponytail without risking it getting tangled in there later, and then I'm just going to start layering in those front pieces using a bristle brush to smooth after applying the hairspray. I am just going to use a little edge gel and hairspray to smooth and mold the sections because they are not water-based and we don't want the hair to start reverting. This hairspray is very flexible, so it can be combed out later and it won't create any sticky or tacky buildup, and it also provides a bit of humidity resistance so her hair won't start to swell in the days after. The most important part here is to be intentional and neat while you're wrapping each section under and then around the ponytail. I am using straight pins to hold it. If your hair is longer, you can probably just get away with tight wrapping and tucking without the pins. Now I am going to take small sections, apply a little bit of hairspray, smooth it, and then pin curl towards the base of the ponytail to create a flower-like shape. This type of style is really about viewing it as art, like you're sculpting a beautiful masterpiece. So just take your time, use a mirror to turn around and check your placements after each pin curl, and just place the hair where it feels and looks best to you. After all the sections are pinned, I'm topping it off with a little bit of hairspray and some shine oil, and that's it. Total style time was about 30 minutes, and Kelli will just tie a silk scarf around the perimeter and then cover it all with a bonnet at night. She can wear this for a few days or take the bun down and reset it. It's just a nice way to add some flair to what otherwise would be a basic bun. I hope this gives you some style inspiration for all of your holiday gatherings and outings. Speaking of the holidays, if you have not figured out what to get your special curl friends, I have added gift cards to my website so you can show them how much you care by giving them the gift of healthier hair this holiday season. You will find links to everything used in the description below this video or by visiting MoKnowsHair.com.